There are plenty of situations where you want your Apple Watch to notify you without making any sound, like during meetings, classes, or while you're sleeping. Instead of ringing or beeping, your watch can gently tap your wrist using haptic feedback, which feels much more discreet and personal. Many users think this happens automatically, but in reality, you need to adjust a couple of settings to make sure your watch is set to vibrate only. The options are simple, but they're spread across different sections, which can make it a bit confusing if you don't know where to look. Once you set it up properly, your Apple Watch will alert you silently, helping you stay updated without disturbing anyone around you. Try these. Step 1. Press the digital crown and open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Step 2. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Step 3. Turn silent mode on to disable all sound alerts. Step 4. Make sure haptic alerts are turned on. Step 5. Set haptic strength to default or prominent for stronger vibrations. Step 6. Test a notification or alarm to feel the vibration working.